Hey guys, I just got something awesome. No, I'm not unboxing Pokemon yet. This is only my second video, but I got a new puppy.
This is Jesse, and I'm back down.
And
Hey guys, I just got a dog.
and
His name is Fluffy.
and if you think this dog is cute, then I will pause what I'm doing right now, and you will subscribe. So I'm gonna give you about 30 seconds to do that.
Just say Fluffy.
Okay, now, today, I will be unboxing the Rayquaza EX10. I'm just getting home from Walmart, and we are not unboxing it until I get to my house. But, we're gonna at least get a Rayquaza EX. So, again, subscribe to my new pet dog. He's only 10 weeks old. He's only 5 pounds. And his name is Fluffy. So if Fluffy is adorable, you can hit that subscribe button. And bye.